San Joaquin Valley Transparency. I'm here with News Now California, NHK 182, Department of Social Services. And we're doing the First Amendment audit.
I need a phone bad.
Department of Public Social Services.
No, you gotta go out.
What?
You can't film here.
Where?
You gotta film out the gate. Out the gate.
Out the gate?
Yeah, it can't be on private property.
This is not this is public.
No, public is outside this gate. It starts with outside that gate.
But I have business.
You can't do it. You can't do it here. You gotta get proof from upstairs.
A proof from upstairs?
Yeah.
Who'll be the boss man?
You can talk to it, but you can stop filming outside. You gotta film outside.
But I got business in here, man.
You can't get not inside this gate. You didn't get authority from the director.
So wait a minute. Are there public pamphlets in there for the public that I can grab to read?
Yeah, you can, but you can't
so
film
if
in
it's
here.
wait a minute, if it's public accessible for the pamphlets so that I can get public information, then it has to be accessible to the public.
No, you can't.
Wait a minute.
Don't wait a minute. I know the rule.
Wait a minute. The First Amendment, your policy does not trump the First Amendment, sir. You have a supervisor I can speak to?
Yeah, you can talk, but you can film outside this gate. Go outside the gate with that. You can't film here.
But this is public accessible.
Outside, I'm telling you the rules and regulations.
If I need to use a payphone?
Rules and regulations of the building.
Right, well that don't trump our right to film.
You can film outside the gate. You can film me all you want to.
I can film outside the gate and I can film inside the gate.
No, you can't. You cannot film outside.
But this is public accessible, sir.
You can't film within the gate, I'm telling you. Why are you giving me a hard time about that?
Okay, it's because I'm not trying to. I'm not trying to, man. I know you have a job to do.
Well, I can tell the sheriff to come down and they can try that.
And send that some bitch down here.
See, your attitude, you gotta be outside the gate with that,
Hey,
man.
fuck that,
Go
bro.
outside with that.
Fuck that,
Because
bro.
you're doing all kind of shit right
Fuck that, bro. And you're cussing. You're supposed to be professional on your job, homie.
You're doing it.
Nah, fuck
doing
that.
it.
Fuck that. Fuck that.
You know, you can't even come at me properly. You gotta use anger.
Bro, I didn't come at you. You came at me.
Go outside.
Your logic is fucked up. It's twisted.
Your logic is fucked up. Go outside with that, man.
Your logic is twisted.
Go outside with that.
Call the supervisor, man.
Go outside.
You're unprofessional.
Stay black.
I've been doing this for 13, 14 years, man. I ain't done nothing professional. I deal with people like you all the time.
And what is that? Mexicans?
No, I got.
Fucking, come on, bro.
Hey, my girl's Hispanic and Mexican, dog.
Yeah, but what does that mean? People like you. What does that mean?
No.
People like you. What does that mean?
Ignorance.
Ignorance. You're more ignorant than I am, sir. You're ignorant. You're more ignorant than I am, sir. And you're a traitor to this country because you don't like freedom.
Freedom.
Yeah.
What you talking about?
You're a traitor to this country.
You don't even know my nationality, dog. You just look at the scale.
You're a traitor to this country because you don't like freedom.
Whatever.
Think about that.
Whatever.
Think about that for a minute.
My grandparents fought the war and shit. Ain't no place.
How you doing, man?
It's where mine at? And I'll move. Where mine at?
I know the rules. Yeah, you know the rules, but that ain't the law. You gotta be.
Hey, we just go and record public officials in the course of their duty, make sure they don't violate people's rights. Because, hey, if all the cops are recorded, but they can't change them, they couldn't have. They have to fucking behave, right? That's what we do, bro. Hey, power yourself. Grab a camera and record whenever you see it. Alright. Huh? Nah, they're trying to say we can't record in here, man. In reality, it's public accessible. Wherever public's allowed, the camera's allowed too. And these places that are funded by our tax dollars, they think they're in charge. In reality, man, you're in charge if you pay taxes. You just bought that pizza. I know you paid tax on that shit.
Yeah. Well, I know that.
No. Nope. Here, I'll tell you what. This may change your life. I'm not kidding. Check that out. Empower yourself. Do what I do. Get started. Don't wait. public social services.
It'd be unprofessional calling you us ignorant and you people.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. I'm talking to this guy right here. Do I have to turn this off to go inside there?
Yes, sir.
But when I get back there, I can turn it right back on, right?
Good, but outside the gate, not here.
Is there
Outside
a supervisor I can talk to?
They're coming, but you have to stay outside.
Okay. Sorry, man.
What's up, brother? Carry water.
So the sheriff is coming.